Let's start part 3 of the series of September 3rd week, weekly 100 MCQs. First question is, the World Rose Day is annually celebrated on 22nd September to spread hope to patients affected by which disease? Rheumatoid arthritis, poliomyelitis, cancer, Parkinson's, or Alzheimer's dementia? Its answer is cancer. 52nd question is, the World Car Free Day was observed every year on September 22 since which year? 2015, 10, 2000, 2020 or 2005? Its answer is 2000. The global sea level is expected to rise approximately by what centimeters by 2100 due to greenhouse emissions as per NASA-led study? 38 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 21 centimeter, 27 centimeter or 33 centimeter? Its answer is 38 centimeter by 2100. Next question is, World Water Monitoring Day was observed every year on 21st September, 18th September, 19th September, 20th September or 22nd September? World Water Monitoring Day is observed annually on 18th September. Next question is, India along with which country has begun the Joint Secretary Patrol in Kapilvastu district? Options are Bhutan, Myanmar, Pakistan, Nepal or China? Its answer is Nepal. Next question, India and Nepal unveiled a website for all information related to education projects under Government of India assisted post-earthquake reconstruction initiatives in Nepal. Which institute developed the website? CIMERI, AMPRI, CCRI, CBRI or CEERI? Its answer is CBRI, Central Building Research Institute. Next question is, which state government has launched Moksha Kalash Yojana 2020? Goa, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, छत्तीसगढ़ और राजस्थान? Its answer is राजस्थान. राजस्थान ने लॉन्च किया है मोक्ष कलश योजना 2020. Next question is, which is the first country in the world that plans to introduce climatic financial report for companies to tackle the climate crisis? Options are Iceland, New Zealand, Germany, Spain or Australia. Its answer is New Zealand. Next question, what will be the contraction in Indian economy in 2020 as per the estimation of UNCTAD? Options are 3.2, 10.3, 5.9, 14.6 or 18.7%. Its answer is 5.9%. UNCTAD के द्वारा 5.9% कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इंडियन इकोनॉमी में एस्टिमेट किया गया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बजाज फिनसर्व हैज एंटर्ड इनटू हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर बाय लॉन्चिंग हेल्थ टेक सॉल्यूशंस बिजनेस बजाज फिनसर्व हेल्थ लिमिटेड recently. Where is the headquarter of Bajaj Finserv located? Options are New Delhi, Pune, Noida, Kolkata or Patna. Its answer is Pune. Next question, name the person who has been appointed as the new administrator of PMC Bank. Options are Prashant Joshi, JB Bhoria, AK Dixit, Surinder Pal Singh, Surojit Shom. Its answer is AK Dixit. Next question, India's iCreate has signed MOU with which country's startup nation Central to collaborate in tech innovation and startup? Options are Iran, Georgia, Israel, Russia or UAE. Its answer is Israel. Next question, Alexander Lukashenko has been appointed as president of which country? Lithuania, Poland, Belarus, Ukraine or Latvia? Its answer is Belarus. Next question is, which organization has appointed Khushi Chindalia as the Green Ambassador of India? Options are UNEP, ILO, UNIDO, UNDP or UNESCO. Its answer is UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme. Next question, who has won the Golden Pen of Freedom Award Van Irfra 2020? Junaid Bidua, Jamal Khashoggi, Srinivasan Balasubramanian, Vincent Pagren or none of the above? Its answer is Junaid Bidua. Next question, Ismail Taraoma was elected as president of Bougainville recently. What is the capital of Bougainville? Options are Hobart, Dili, Negarulmud or Buka or Pristina. Its answer is Buka. Next question, US based KKR plans to buy -% stake in Reliance Retail Ventures Limited for 5,550 crore rupees. Its answer is 1.28% stake. Next question, who represented India at the G20 Trade and Investment Ministers meeting held recently? Its answer is Piyush Goyal. Next question, find the organizations which has successfully conducted the flight test of Abhyas high speed expendable aerial target HEAT from ITR Odisha. Its answer is Defense and Research Development Organization DRDO. Next question is the Competition Commission of India CCI has approved an acquisition of 100% shares of MedLife by which company? Ralligare Health, Fortis Healthcare, API Holdings, Bharti Vidyapeeth. Its answer is API Holdings. Next question, DRDO successfully test fired the indigenously developed laser guided anti-tank guided missile from main battle tank. Its answer is Arjun. Next question is, which is the first Indian company to manufacture indigenous composites sonar dome to be mounted on P-15 Alpha? Its answer is Kinaco Limited. Next question is, Asha Lata Vabgaonkar, who passed away in September 2020, is a renowned what? Actor, politician, social activist, film producer or choreographer? Its answer is actor. Next question is, mountaineer Angarita Sherpa, popularly known as Snow Leopard, who is in news recently, belongs to which country? India, Bhutan, China, Nepal or Tibet? Its answer is Nepal. Next question is, name the Andhra Pradesh CM who has launched AP Police Seva app to file complaint online. Options are YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, Bhupesh Baghel, Manohar Lal, Yogi Adityanath or Pramod Sawant. Its answer is YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. Thanks for watching this session. If you really like this session, hit the like button and share it with your friends. And you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel.